So now that you've downloaded your repositories, let's extract your file. First, we need a zip extractor. I personally use the AUK zip extractor on my Windows, and I'll drop the link in the comment. And if you have a better extractor, share it in the comments so we can help each other. After extraction, you'll see that every section we are going to build has its own folder, and inside each section there are two subfolders, Final and Starter. Final contains the finished error-free code, so after we practice you can always go there to see if you made any mistakes. But right now we only care about the Starter folder. If you use a Mac, drag this first folder to your desktop, but if you use Windows, you can just click on the Starter folder, then click on index.html, and it takes you straight to your VS Code. As a developer, organization is everything, so if I were you, I'll click on VS Code, go to Files, click on Open Folder, find the course you just downloaded. It is usually in the document folder, select it, and yes, you have it here on your Explorer panel. Now go to Fundamentals, click on the Starter code, then click on index.html. Now don't forget to always create a folder when you're working on a new project or writing a new code on your VS Code so that things can always be organized for you. Now this is an HTML document, and like I said before the start of this course, HTML, CSS and JavaScript work together, and since they're part of web development, we must need an HTML document to build a website. In HTML, JavaScript has its own script tag where you can write JavaScript. So if you're new to HTML, there's a class where I'll be talking extensively about HTML and CSS. Okay, so let's write JavaScript in this HTML document right beneath the style in line 28 or 29. So just follow along. Type script, press enter, and you'd have a conclusion underneath script like this. This end script tag is to tell you that you're done writing JavaScript in this line. So let's write the same codes we used in the Chrome console. Now in between the start script and the end script, write let JS equals amazing. Add these columns on amazing and then conclude with a semicolon. I use the semicolon because I want JavaScript to know that I am done with this line. Well, it's not really important because many developers don't use it, but I do because it's a good coding practice and it helps me write clean code. So I go underneath again and I say if JS equals amazing. I now tell JavaScript to give us an alert saying JavaScript is fun. Now, how do we know that these codes are even working? This whole stuff is connected to the HTML, right? So go back to the document in your file manager or browser, click on the course file, go to Fundamentals, click Starter, then tick the box on the index folder. Right click on it and go to Open with just under Share, then open with Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, you can use Firefox or any other browser. Now you will get this alert that JavaScript is fun. Click OK and it will pop the starter file, which is the JavaScript fundamental part 1. But how did we get it? If you go back to the VS Code, you will see H1 JavaScript fundamentals part 1. That is exactly how we got here. Now, if you reload the browser, it will take you back to JavaScript is fun. So yes, it is working.